Here's a unique movie about two people having a conversation. This is my review of My Dinner with Andre. The film is about playwright Wallace meeting his old friend Andre for dinner, and as Andre discusses his experiences traveling abroad, Wallace starts to realize that they have developed very different worldviews. From French director Louis Malle, this 1981 experimental movie is simply an existential discussion between two old friends at a restaurant. On the surface, this may look boring and stuffy, but it actually does a great job at being engaging with questions about the human condition. Both Wallace Shawn and Andre Gregory give solid performances playing fictional versions of themselves, and they also co-wrote the script together. In some ways, watching this film might feel like doing homework at first, but overall, this is actually a really good movie about people and how we exist in society. I'm giving My Dinner with Andre 4.5 out of 5 stars with a thumbs up.